Good morning, good morning. It's Ona and Giblets on a windy day, so we came down by the lake. He's right here, just one step above me, to check out the waves. Today's Monday, June 10th. Leo, you know I like a good Leo. You know I like a good Leo moon. I actually have just been test driving a different little design here and see how that works out, Leo moon. And I also, just putting it out there, signed a contract this morning to start a new job next Monday where I will not be battling traffic during rush hour. Giblets.
My kids have the same color. Gus is his name.
Oh,
So
he is a cute dog. Thank you. Oh, that was sweet. Yeah, so another big change, but this is really a position that is similar to what I'm doing now in a facility that's 9 blocks from where I live, so it is walkable, and I am grateful for the gods and for the traffic gods who defeated me and broke me. I love you guys, and I love your support, and I'm just going to leave it to the waves. See what's going on here. Giblets, you want to go in the water? You want to take a bath? Usually does not. He just like to get his feet wet. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. We usually walk on that ledge. Just want to let you know. That's where we usually walk. And we cannot this morning. I don't want my little puppy to get swept away. And his almost 10th birthday. That is coming up, as well as my 10-year cancer anniversary and the summer solstice, for which I will be doing an oval Nancy. Just let me get some good eggs on board and I'll get that done. I love you guys. Come on, big dog. Come on, buddy. That's over by the raccoons. We're not going to go all the way there, but get your exercise in. The water's kind of scary today, huh, bud? Have a great and active week, right? It's gonna be.